Moonshot just released a mobile app that allows you to buy and sell Solana meme coin conveniently with your mobile phone. You can use different payment options like Apple Pay, credit card or debit card, or PayPal, or you can also pay with cryptocurrency, and you can buy meme coin with any of these payment options. Depending on the country that you're currently staying, determine the payment option you are going to use. Moonshot app does not require KYC. Just download the app on Google Store or Apple Store, create an account, and start buying and selling Solana meme coins. Guys, it has never been easy. This is one of the most exciting things that has happened to crypto industry, whereby that the masses have opportunity to buy meme coin easily. To download this app, check the link in the description. That's the first link you'll see there. Click the link and it'll take you straight to Google Play Store or Apple Store so you can download the app and start buying and selling Solana meme coins. I'll also show you in this video how to use Moonshot app and every other thing you need to know about this app. If you like content like this, please subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification, and like this video. Let me show you how to use Moonshot app. Once you click on the link in the description, you'll find yourself here. Depending on the cell phone you're using, if you're using an Android, you go to Google Play Store to download the app. If you're using an iPhone, you go to Apple Store to download the app. In this case, I'm going to Google Play Store. I click on it. It takes me to Google Store. Then I click on Install. I'm installing the app on my phone right now. Here is the app. I'm done installing the app. So you can actually check what other people are actually saying about this app. You can see over 50,000 downloads as of right now. So all you need to do is just to click on Open. Once you click on Open, this is just where you set notification. If you are interested, you could just enable notification if you want to. If you don't want, you could just swipe it away. So in this case, I'll click on Don't Allow, click on Skip. You can also invite a friend, click on Skip, click on Create Account. If you click on Create Account, this is where you put in your email address. So you have to put in your email address so you can actually continue. So once you're done putting your email address, you put in your verification code. You need to go to your email and get the code that was sent to you so you can actually verify your email. Once you're done putting your verification code that you copy from your email, it will automatically take you to this homepage. So this is actually what Moonshot app look like. Now you can actually see top gainers. This is where you can see top gainers. You can see this particular meme coin called UBC. You can actually see it has done 381%. You can actually see this particular one 191%. You can actually keep scrolling and actually see so many other meme coin. You can see this particular one, Chill Guy, has already done 53% as of today. This is where you see your total balance. As you can see, I just created this account. I don't have any money in it. I will also be making a video on how to deposit on this particular app. This is where you see trending memes. These are all trending memes. The name of the meme and the market cap. If you click on any one, you can actually see the historical data, the 4-hour chart, the daily chart, the weekly chart, and everything that this particular meme coin that I've done. You can also read about the meme coin to know about them. You can also see pop-up notifications, seeing people purchasing this meme coin real time. You can see these are more information about this particular meme coin. This is so easy. You could just click on buy. If you have money in your account, you can immediately buy it. You don't need to connect any wallet or do anything. All of those things we'll do in Raydium, different other decentralized platforms. So this is so easy to do. So you can go back to home. Once you go back to home, you can actually check rewards. If you invite any friend, you can actually earn some commission. Please don't forget to use my link in the description so you can actually sign up with this app. You can actually click on holdings. If you click on holdings, you actually see some of the coins you're actually holding. At the moment right now, I just created this account with you guys. If you want to add money, just click on add cash. If you click on add cash, there are different payment options that you can use. You can actually see credit and debit card. Once you tap on it, you will see other options. Based on my location, I can only use credit card and debit card. I can also deposit crypto. I can't use bank transfer. I can't use Coinbase. I can't use PayPal. But depending on the country you're watching from, you can also use Apple Pay and different other payment options you can actually see right here. In this case, I could just select crypto. Once I select crypto, I'll be sending USDC using Solana network. Once I do that, the money will show up in my account. Then I will start using it to buy meme coins. So I'm still going to show you how to do that in the other videos on how you can actually deposit and every other thing you need to know. But before that, let's go back to home. Once you go back to home, you can actually see categories of meme coin. For you to see different categories of meme coin, you see on top, you see search. Just tap on the search. Once you tap on the search, you see explore. This is where you can see different categories of meme coin. You can see the option that says new. If you tap on it, you see every new meme coin that has been created. Maybe those meme coin are 1 week ago or 2 months ago or 2 weeks ago. These are some newly launched meme coin. You can actually see them here. You can easily pick anyone that is going to do well here, and you could just find yourself in opportunity in a huge gain. I actually know about this particular meme coin called Bully. You can actually see it's getting a lot of attraction right now. It's currently at $202 million market cap. You can actually see what is happening. It's actually a new meme coin. I saw it a few weeks ago when it was at 16 cents. Right now it's at 20 cents, which is huge. So it actually moves a lot. So you can actually see this is the new category. You can actually go back and click on cat. This is where you see every meme coin that is on Solana that is under category of cat. So you can also go back and click on AI. This is where you see AI meme coins. You can actually see this particular AI meme coin called Goat. Bully is also an AI meme coin as well. You can see other ones right there. You can go back. You can also click on TikTok. This is where you see some meme coins that is being shilled by TikTok influencers. This particular one called Chill Guy started in TikTok, and guess what? These are other TikTok meme coins right there. So this is where you can see different category of meme coin, and you can also check all the way to dogs. You can also take vlogs. You can also look at politics. You can also look at celebrities and stocks. All the things you are seeing here, all of them are meme coins. This particular app was created just for you to be buying and selling Solana meme coins. So nothing too serious, but easy way for you to get involved in Solana meme coins. So this is the basic things you need to know about this particular app. So the next video I'm going to be making is on how to trade on it, how to deposit, and how to trade. I'm going to be making video on that. So don't miss that video. Stay connected in this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. See you in another video.